Hey everybody, I'm Liddell Steiner. I'm here at Tilmor and I'm excited to introduce to you the Rohand 2, which is a new electric picking assistant, but you'll find out we can do much more than that. The Rohand 2 also comes from our good friends in Pennsylvania, Harvest Pro. So the Rohand 2, as I mentioned, is known as an electric picking assistant, which allows you to get in your fields and pick strawberries, asparagus, or green beans and other things like that. But it also allows you to work in the broader part of the season. You could use it to transplant, you could use it to weed, or even prune if needed in certain areas. So let me give you a little overview of the Rohand and kind of some of its features and benefits and why it will work well in your system. So kind of just first in the kind of dead center, we notice that the operator is in a laying down position, allowing them to use their hands to do any of that transplanting, picking, weeding, whatever they need to do, and it all allows them to be in a comfortable position, helping keep their back from getting fatigued throughout the long, laborsome day. There is an ability to have your head on the little band there that you can lay your head against. Here you can see the straps are adjustable on the front part, allowing you to change the dimensions and the configuration of the system depending on the individual that's operating. And the foot controls allow you to keep your hands free from having to go do anything moving forward and reverse. So here you have your throttle pedal. And then you also have your left and right turn pedals, allowing you to give you direction in forward and reverse movement as you go. On the back, you're going to notice there are two trays that allow you to hold your either harvested crops or your transplants. You'll notice also here that we have a lot of adjustment. Different pins allow you to move things forward and backwards pretty easily on the foot pedal and also the rest as well. On the rear, we have two large tires that give us good movement and flotation over a wide range of systems, really helping us preserve the electric as well, keeping it very efficient and effective. Overhead, we have a roof. The roof allows us to keep the sun and the rain off of us. And a really nice feature is the ability to bring the side panel down. As we all know, the sun times can come up or go down throughout the day, and also the rain can kind of slash in. So that's a really nice feature that this has. As we move to the front, you're going to notice we have two nice drive wheels. Those drive wheels are on both sides, helping pull continuously through different field conditions. On those 24-volt electric motors, there's also a little lever on each one that very quickly and efficiently allows you to put it in a neutral position if by chance you would need to pull or push the unit at any point in time. The unit can be charged through a solar panel, which allows continuous operation throughout the day. You can also plug it in through your standard 120-volt wall plug as well. So that's the Rohand. It's a quick overview. It kind of gives you a little perspective of how the system is both comfortable, helps your team be efficient with their time, and also helps the ergonomics of your team, keeping them lasting longer throughout the days and the weeks. If you have any questions or want more information about the Rohand 2, here at Tilmor, we're available through phone calls, email, social media, or check us out online.